to God, and God is quick at any